The topic I'm going to talk about today is sex trafficking. For those who does not know what it means, it's the action of transport people from one country to another one, with the only purpose of sexual exploitation. But how do they do it? How do the criminals engage the victims? They create a bond with them by being their boyfriend or girlfriend and giving them so many expensive gifts. And after that, when the victim has feelings for the criminal, they are introduced in this field, normally persuading or forcing the victim. Another mechanism they use is lying. They offer work in factories to people without resources. When they arrive to a new country, the criminals take the passports away from them and force them to work in this business, becoming their team. If they don't do it, they threaten with kill their families. Around 24.9 million people had been affected, being victims of this crime, no matter the age or sex. In those graphs, we can see the statistics by age or sex. Minors are 25%, from 18 to 24, the 16%, from 24 to 34, the 18%. The other ages are so much lower, but obviously not less important. In the right graph, the yellow represents girls, the orange women, the blue boys, and lastly, the type of gray represents men. It's a global issue because it annuls all the rights of freedom and takes the dignity of the victims away. It's a problem too because it's the fastest growing crime and the most lucrative. Sometimes the criminal groups can earn $3 billion per year. And it is also a global issue because there is no way to know who the next victim can be. There is no profile. All of us can become victims, and every country takes part on it. In this map, we can observe the countries with low and high origin, the orange and red ones. And we can observe the low and high destination, the blue ones. Here, there is a video about a woman explaining her experience. I recommend to watch it. It can seem strange for us. Actually, it seems strange for us, but it is common. And as she, there are a lot of other cases around the world. These last two videos are harder, but I recommend to watch them too. These are the websites and articles I read to inform myself to do the presentation. The first one is about a survivor who is working for the police to help other victims and keep the population safe. The second article explains the statistics of people trapped and money earned by the criminal organizations. The third article is how the criminals engage their victims to work for them, forced or not. And the last one is a campaign by CBC where it talks about the education and that this issue happens everywhere. The name of the campaign is It Happens Here. The authorities, including national and provincial, are doing a good job. Even non-governmental organizations are helping. If more people were dedicated to this field only, it could decrease. Another solution is the prevention and education for the youngest. This last website is a good way to inform and warn. I strongly recommend it. It helps to prevent sex trafficking, and it's really well explained. Thank you for your attention. I hope you enjoy it and you learned something.